Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is April the 8th, 2023, and we are going to start off some Brussels sprouts. I have a little bit of paper towel here that I just wet down with a little bit of tap water. This is just regular water, nothing else added. We've got our seeds here. And we'll start off some seeds, and hopefully we have some success with these. So I just filmed another video for not for Brussels sprouts, for basil. And I decided to buy some basil seeds because all of the ones that I harvested last year did not work. Not one of them germinated. I don't know why. I'm going to get all these lined up. So there we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, good enough. So Brussels sprouts. The towel is nice and moist. And then we'll just get that into here. I'm just trying to keep these videos really short. As you've seen me do this a number of times on my channel. So there we go. And then just close down your little baggie. And you don't have to use a baggie. You've seen me do this with, you can just take a piece of plastic wrap and do it that way as well. Or you can take a little airtight container and do it that way. You've seen me do that in some of my videos as well. So there we go. So I'm gonna lock this in. This is day number 1 for germination. Brussels sprouts. Today is March the 8th. I will keep you up to date. That's it for today, and I'll catch you on the next one. Oh, and thanks for watching.